then obviously the more
interesting.
gear it gets. I got about 20, 22. Good.
We should try with the long stem.
Shut up!
Try with the long one, the the cook matches.
I think I'd get about 4 of them in. And I actually wouldn't do it at this age.
Just thinking about
I have a glass of lemonade in my teeth though. I've got no excuse whatsoever.
You know, you had the rest of the wine. Sweetie pie.
Excuse me, actual soup song.
And compared to last night's consumption, it probably was. Boiling.
Anyone want a shot of the big stick? See how much enjoyment you can derive from that. It's quite cool to get it.
Seriously hot?
Uh-huh.
That's hot.
It's almost burning white hot now, eh? It's no longer red flames.
That's kind of spreading as well. Is that a bad thing?
Probably. Quite dry around here, isn't it?
Oh, gee. Can you show me what Vincent's done at the stores? Can you see?
You might do.
I saw it the other night, the other day when I was up in the garden on Sunday.
Oh, did you?
Quite good. And lots of roasting.
Really hot.
Oh, chestnut.
Look how hot is it? So this is actually technically playing with fire, right?
It is.
Yeah. So I'll go, you know,